TrueWealth Robo-advisor for honest review. Watch before using. TrueWealth is a Swift-based robo-advisor that offers automated investment services tailored to individual risk profiles and financial goals. Founded in 2014 by Liv and Felix, the platform became publicly available in 2014 and has since grown to manage over CHF 1.7 billion in assets from more than 30,000 clients. And here are the key features about this TrueWealth platform. The TrueWealth allows investors to personalize their portfolios by selecting from a diverse range of asset classes, including global equities, bond, real estate, and natural resources. The high level of customization enables users to align their investment closely with their individual preferences and risk tolerance. The platform charges a management fee 0.5% per year with additional fund expenses, average around 0.2%, bringing the total expense ratio to approximately 0.7 annually. In November 2022, the TrueWealth introduced support for the Swift's third pillar, which is pension system, allowing users to manage their retirement savings through the platform. And here are the favorable conditions about this platform. Investors can tailor their portfolios extensively, choosing specific asset allocation that match their investment strategy and risk appetites. TrueWealth's fee structure is relatively low compared to traditional wealth management service in Switzerland, making it an attractive option for cost-conscious investors. And also, it comes with a user-friendly interface. And here are the downside of this platform. The TrueWealth requires a minimum investment of CHF 8,500, which may be a barrier for some potential investors. And also, while TrueWealth offers a mobile application, its functionality is limited compared to the web platform, restricting certain account management features on the mobile device. And here's the final verdict, which is the final conclusion about this website. TrueWealth stands out as the mature and portable robo-advisor in the Swiss market, offering high customizable investment option and competitive fee. Its integration with the Swift third pillar pension system adds value to those seeking to manage their retirement savings efficiently. However, potential investors should consider the minimum investment requirement and the platform's limited mobile capability when evaluating its suitability for their needs.